everyone! In today's art class, we're going to learn about sea turtles. If you're new to my channel, my name's Chris Fitz, and this is my super simple art class for kids. Subscribe for a new art lesson each week. Let's get started. Go get your supplies. You're going to need a black marker or a pen, a piece of paper, and some colors. And if you need a little bit of extra help, there is a free tracing guide available on my website. Click the link below to download. All right, let's draw. First, you're going to take your marker and we're going to draw the shell. So we're going to do like a rainbow shape. And then you're going to take your marker and start at the end. We're going to close that so we can see our shell. All right, now we're going to draw the head. You're going to take your marker towards the front of the shell. I'm going to do the bubble. I want to leave a little gap for the mouth. And come out. Follow along, and then connect it at the head. Then we're going to draw some flippers. I'm going to start near the head. And we're going to do a little one. And then you can either start at the top of the shell or the bottom of your fin, and we're going to connect it to the top. And we're going to do another one. Now this one's in the distance, so it's going to be a little bit smaller. Did you know that sea turtles can hold their breath for over 5 hours? The back ones are a little smaller because they're used for steering. Put them in there. I'm going to do a little tail poking out. And then we'll draw our back flipper. All right, now we're going to draw the shell. I like to do a little line across the bottom. Kind of shows like a little lip. And then the shell design you can do however you want. So have fun with your pattern, whatever you pick. This is your artwork. You can do whatever you want. Did you know that baby sea turtles are called hatchlings? They're so cute! Go ahead and draw little lines across the bottom of our shell. Now to show texture for the skin, we'll just do little dots on the flippers and the tail. Let's draw our eyeball. This looks like a happy turtle. Draw a circle in the middle of the head, and then go ahead and draw a black dot in the center. Did you know that sea turtles don't have teeth? They have a strong beak to crush their food. Do a little cheek. And now turtles like to, sea turtles swim in the water, so we can do some movement. And then we're going to draw a little bit of ocean, like they're in the water swimming. We give them an eyelid. And a little nose. Give yourself a pat on the back, you did it! Now it's time to color. Did you know that sea turtles can live up to 100 years old? That's longer than some humans and elephants. Did you know that leatherback sea turtles eat jellyfish? After this, you could go watch the art lesson on jellyfish. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this week's art class, make sure you check out the last episode here. And I need your help. I need to come up with a name for the character we drew today. Head on over to Instagram, follow me, let me know your name ideas, upload a picture of your artwork, tag Fitz Art Clips for a chance to be featured artist every Friday, and let me know if there's something that you want to draw and learn more about. I cannot wait to see what you create. I'll see you next time.